Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be making a delightful dish called garlic eggplant mash. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to bring water to a boil in a pot and add eggplant. Let it cook for about 10 minutes until it becomes soft and easily pierced with a chopstick. Once it's done, use chopsticks to remove the eggplant from the pot. Next, finely chop some scallions and garlic. In a pan, add a little oil and saute the minced garlic and the white part of the scallions until they release their aromatic flavors. Now, it's time to add the softened eggplant to the pan. Using a spatula, mash the eggplant into a smooth and creamy texture. Add a pinch of salt and stir-fry it for a moment to let the flavors melt together. To enhance the taste, add some soy sauce to the mixture. Give it a good stir to ensure the flavors are well distributed. Finally, sprinkle some green onions on top to add a fresh and vibrant touch. Transfer it to a beautiful serving plate and you'll have a delightful and healthy dish that's sure to impress. And voila! Your delicious and low-fat garlic eggplant mash is now ready to be served. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Your feedback is always appreciated. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time with another fantastic recipe. Happy cooking!